One way to understand diabetes is to think about it like cleaning a house. Imagine if one day you walked into your house and there was rubbish covering all of the floor. What would you do? The first thing you might do is to grab a broom, sweep up all the rubbish you can, and put it in the bin. However, after doing all of this sweeping, the floor is still dirty. It has dust and dirt that the broom can't clean. Now you fill up a bucket of water and grab a mop to clean the floor. Most of the time, the broom and mop with water are enough to clean the floor. Sometimes the floor might be sticky and have some tough stains that the water just won't clean. Now you need to add some Pino Clean or detergent to the water to remove these stubborn stains for a clean floor. Finally, you have a nice clean house that you can enjoy. The house is like your body. The rubbish is the sugar, and the broom and the mop are like the medicines we use in diabetes. Some people can keep the rubbish clean using just the broom, metformin. Other people also need a mop, insulin, or other medicines. Exercise every day is like the detergent. It makes the medicines work better in cleaning up the rubbish. When you drink sugary drinks like soft drinks and juice, it's like tipping the rubbish out from the bin and all over the floor again, making it all dirty again. Don't undo your hard work in taking medicines and exercising by tipping the rubbish back over the floor. Look after your body by keeping your house clean and tidy.